Exploring the world after turning 70 can truly enrich your later years. With more free moments, independence, and maybe some saved funds, you get to visit spots you've always pictured in your mind. Picture a calm boat ride along European waterways, a led visit to old towns, or a relaxing stay near the sea. These adventures can fill your days with real happiness and purpose. Yet before you climb aboard a plane or step onto a ship, it's wise to learn about some key points. While journeys bring thrill, they hide certain threats, particularly for ladies past 70. These aren't small bothers. They're serious issues that might harm your well-being, security, or even your savings. In this presentation, I'll guide you step by step through 5 unexpected challenges that lots of older explorers overlook, and I'll explain clear ways to steer clear of them, helping you move forward with assurance, clear thinking, and calm feelings. The 5th challenge is something few people consider, but ignoring it could lead to losing a huge amount of money if you're not ready. Let's dive in and make sure your trip stays safe and enjoyable. 1. Sudden medical issues during trips past 70. Setting out on adventures after 70 offers wonderful and satisfying moments, but honestly, it comes with health concerns that slip by unnoticed until they turn critical. Back in your own space, if you sense something wrong, you reach out to your familiar physician, head to the nearby medical office or emergency room. You know the setup, and it knows you. However, far away or on a floating vessel, that reliable help might vanish. A basic problem at home could grow into a tough, worrying, and expensive mess in an unknown spot. Allow me to tell you about a real example that shows this well. George, at 72, was lively and in great shape. He and his partner arranged a warm island voyage to mark their special day together. They'd waited eagerly for this for a long time. But 3 nights in, following a lengthy stroll on the upper level, George noticed a strong ache in his upper body. He first blamed it on his meal. Yet, as the discomfort spread to his limb and he started feeling very warm, he realized it was serious. They hurried to the vessel's health area. The staff doctor thought it might be a major heart event, but they lacked the right tools to check for sure. They called for a quick airlift out, but rough skies held it back for a while. George made it through, but rather than savoring the remaining days, he stayed in a care facility in a different land. The air rescue and treatment added up to more than $25,000, and much wasn't paid by his plan. George's experience isn't here to scare you. It's to highlight that getting ready is key. Even fit folks face strain from extended air rides or different weather. A big worry for mature people is blood clots in the lower limbs, known as DVT. This happens when you sit still for hours, like on flights or coach rides. If the clot shifts to your breathing organs, it could threaten your life. Flying also shifts air quality. The low moisture and pressure inside can make it harder to breathe, especially if you deal with breathing troubles, heart matters, or ongoing lung problems. For some, just higher spots can lead to feeling unsteady, low energy, or mixed-up thoughts. You might think your coverage works everywhere, but often it doesn't. Government health plans like Medicare skip care outside the country, except in rare cases. Lots of personal plans limit things too. You could end up covering bills yourself, from stays in care places to urgent returns home. How to keep secure. Begin with a checkup from your doctor at least 4 weeks ahead. Discuss if your pills suit journeys. Ensure shots are current. Chat openly about handling flights, warmth, strolling, and clock shifts. Bring spare pills for possible holdups. Carry a paper copy of your meds list, with amounts and basic names, in your bag or hand luggage. On planes, get up and move every 60 minutes. Extend your limbs. Move your feet up and down. This stops clots and tight feelings. Use special tight socks if suggested by your health expert. Look up nearby care spots or services at your stop. For boat trips, learn about onboard health setups and if staff use your language. Above all, get journey protection that handles health crises and quick moves out. This isn't extra. It's a shield that spares you surprise costs and upset if issues arise. Your body is your best journey friend. Caring for it lets you cherish each part with stronger belief and fewer concerns. 2. Catching illnesses and tainted items while away. Journeys unlock amazing views, ways of life, and foods. But for ladies beyond 70, they can quietly invite health threats, mainly from bugs and dirty eats or drinks. These aren't flashy news items, but they're top reasons mature explorers seek help in far-off spots. As years add up, our body's defenses naturally drop. This makes fighting off tiny invaders like germs, sickness makers, and other harms tougher. A bug that passes quick in youth might cause big troubles in later life. The same threats hit harder, stick around, and mess up more. Here's a true tale. Helen, 73, a former teacher from the Midwest, finally set up a LED path through warm Asian lands after dreaming about it forever. On her first full day in a bustling city, she grabbed a crisp veggie mix and a cool fruit sip with frozen bits from a street spot. She felt bold and thrilled, soaking in the vibes. Come morning, Helen faced gut pains, sick feelings, and high heat. She struggled to hold fluids, got lightheaded, and lost lots of body water. Her guide took her to a close health spot, where they found a tummy bug from bad liquid. She passed the next few days in a basic room instead of seeing old buildings and lively sales areas. Her whole adventure shifted due to one easy choice. Such events happen often on trips, especially in places with different clean rules than back home. Risks rise. Local taps might hold unseen harms your body doesn't know. Frozen bits from that water share the danger. Fresh greens and fruits, if not skinned or heated, could be rinsed in risky flow. Even fancy meal spreads might leave items out too long or touch them wrong. Busy travel hubs, flights, and packed spots add threats. Shared spots like food holders, arm supports, lift switches, and washroom grips get handled by many daily. Invaders linger there for long stretches. Flight insides have low, wet air that's reused, weakening your natural guards and easing spread of ills. Ways to guard yourself? Plan ahead. Talk to your health provider about your path at least a month before. Ask about needed protections like for liver bugs, fever types, or fresh cold shots for your area. If your pills change defenses or gut work, cover extra steps. Put together a small health pack. Add clean hand gel, wipe cloths, gut calmers, water salt mixes, gut helpers, ache easers, and a temp checker. These basics stop tiny woes from growing big. For meals, pick spots full of locals with solid word. Skip items left out or at normal heat. Pass on raw greens, unskinned fruits, or half-done meats. See how food gets made. If doubtful, kindly say no. Stick to sealed bottles or cleaned drinks. Use them for tooth care, too. Avoid frozen ads unless sure of source. For fruits, skin them yourself. Skip fresh mixes from side paths unless clean-proof. In motion, clean hands, often with soap. If none, use gel with high clean power. Clean flight spots, belt clips, and room controls. Don't touch face after public rides or money. If unwell, act fast. Tell your tripmate right away. Rest up, drink lots, and reach a health person or your protection help for finding care. Quick help turns short stops from big crises. Careful ways aren't fear. They're smart. You earn fun trips with easy minds knowing self-care. Simple routines and ready steps cut sick chances hugely, letting you build warm, forever thoughts. 3. Weariness from journeys and tough bounce-backs. Adventures spark joy, widen views, and stir senses, but they demand strength. For ladies over 70, strength isn't just amount, it's smart use. Folks picture trips as restful, but truth differs. Early rises, long skies, busy waits, and hours on feet in new lands drain even lively souls. Unlike young ones who recover fast, mature folks need extra time from body and mind strains of paths. Meet Dorothy. At 77, a past office leader, she longed for European spots. Booking her dream, she aimed full. Her plan hit 7 lands in 10 days, with morning leads and shifts by rail or wheels every couple days. By day 2, Dorothy felt wiped. Her lower parts hurt from bumpy paths. Her back ached from bag pulls and stops. She lacked spark for art halls she'd awaited years. Day 4 brought a sniffle, blurring the rest. This drain is usual and makes sense. Bodies shift with age. Rest breaks easier. Food breaks slower. Zone jumps mess inner times deeper. Once easy sight days now overwhelm without pauses. Time shifts play big. Multiple zone crosses affect feelings, power, recall, and rest for days. Add strange sleeps, loud spaces, or dawn calls, and you tire fast, get grumpy, or weaken. Not just uneasy, it boosts sick, foggy, or tumble risks. Modern paths pace quick, not easy. Many groups rush, skipping calm sits. Fine for young, but tiring and risky for 70s. Ways to ease weariness and guard health? Be true to body needs. Add free days to plans. For each few active, 1 open. Sleep late, slow eats, or park sits soak local feels. Pauses aren't lost. They fuel fun. Pick fewer stops. Tempting to cram, but deep few over weeks beat rushed many. Richer, better feel. Skip hard times for flies or moves. No late nights or pre-dawn. Direct ways when can. Rest on land. Choose cozy stays. Quiet spots, soft beds, dark covers, good words from like ages. Small eases matter. Wear easy fits, strong steps, adjustable layers for long days. Pack bites, fluids, steady power items for weights. Key. Allow slow, no races. Skip 1? Fine. Afternoon rest? Good. Trips for delight, not hurry. If weary, halt. Sore? Stretch. Foggy? Rest. Body signals aren't weak? Wise. Later years gift own ways. Use for paths, no need all seas, just there for key parts. 4. Tumbles and hurts on paths. Journeys call to new paths, old areas, spots from tales or wishes. But for ladies past 70, these fresh settings hide body threats, mainly slipping down. Drops lead hurts for mature at home or away. New places raise chances with odd walks, low lights, strange steps, and trip tires. Mix makes bad setup for mishaps with long effects. Hear about Margaret. At 74, always on own, daily strolls, no aids. On dreamed Italy visit, eager for old town walks. Second night, heading back on Stone Lane, she caught edge unseen. Hard down on ground. Helpers sat her, but stand no. Side ached bad. Care spot scans showed break. Urgent fix in strange land. Missed rest, months home heal with moves help. Hurt changed trip and daily, not odd. Drops top reason care visits for old. Paths up odds. Spots built long ago skip safety. Bumpy stones, odd rises, no holds common. Crowds, bus steps, no lifts, boats, wet areas, sway walks, tight opens test steady. Tired or zone lag? Misstep rises. Hurts tough far. Care not quick. Words differ. Coverage might skip urgent or aids like sticks. Lower chances? Pick easy spots. Good walks, smooth grounds, new builds, working lifts, steady rides. For stays, ask lifts, low levels, hold spots in wash. Pack strong, grip soles, shoes. Skip smooth opens. Good feet gear safety. Use aid if helps. Pride skips, but smart keeps free. Light fold kinds pack easy. Night care, no lone dim, small light or phone. Watch in entries, rises, wet floors. Note tire, steady drops weary. Plan breaks before too much. No edges, honor. Group? Ask demands ahead. Some long walks, ups, steps. Others slow or easy ways. Get protection for hurts, care, heal help. Move out if need. One drop bills big far home. No plan drop, but plan stop. Smart picks, watch, guard body. Keep world seeks safe. 5. Money threats and coverage holes. Planning paths, folks focus fun, skies, stays, eats, views, local bits, but skip cash risks. Sadly for mature explorers, common, turn happy to dear error. Common think, health plan guards world. Often no. Gov plans like Medicare skip out land, rare yes. Ad plans claim path help but limits low. Personal, might skip far crises. Stays, air outs. Sick or hurt far, pay all. Europe stay $4,000 to $15,000. Airback $40,000 to $90,000 by need, far. Picture bill plus ill, loan, scared strange. Then stop trips. Life surprises, sudden sick, home need. Late papers force quit last. Air, boats, groups strict quits. Partial or no back, near go. No quit cover, lose big on no paths. Scams. Old targets by web cheats, bad sellers, ride takers use new lack. Nice stay web, pay early, arrive none. Cash pull fake machine, info taken, funds gone. Street free items, then push pay. Upset not cash, but trust break, joy loss. Tale. Edith, 72 past care worker, saw shore stay via side site. Pics great, words good, cost fair. Paid full hold. Arrive, empty spot. Contact gone, site vanished. Rush new nearby, double cost, no get back. Guard how? Full path protection. Pick with far health, air out, quit, lost bags, break. Read small, ask. Sure pays real if wrong. Check now health. No far? Add for trip. Book known sites. Skip odd agencies too cheap. Director big checked. Cards with cheat guard, path help. No wires or pre-cards pay. Cash, inside banks or big stays. Side spots risky. Cover pin always. Careful free offers. Approach gift, deal, too good. Smile, go. Money care not fear. Respect hard save. Ensure trip joy no sorry. Little ready, aware. Shield from risks others miss.